Tikat!
Yun, para sa ating event ngayong gabi. Batiin natin ang maligayang arawan. Ang ating birthday girl, Kathy!
Oh my gosh! Hi guys! Hello!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kathy. Happy birthday to you. Let's a round of applause for our birthday girl, Kathy.
Hello mga kalingap! Yun po ay pupunta tayo sa ating pupuntahan
Sa Bluish Resort.
sa Bluis. Kahit maulan, tuloy pa rin.
Ito yung bagyo.
Kahit may bagyo na kat.
Hi. Hi guys. Hi guys. So, dito na po kami sa resort. So nauna po kami ngayon kasi magde-decorate pa po kami. And yeah. Magde-decorate pa po kami and yeah. So sila po magde-decorate. Ay, God.
I have never found the peace inside my mind. I got nothing here that keeps me alive. Even with the world, it's hard.
So yun guys, we're here at so mag-listen po muna kami ngayon. And masunod na lang po yung mga tao dito. Mamayang 6.
Abutin ko.
We got nowhere to be. Just slow dance with the summer heat. The world outside can't wait a few. 'Cause right now we got nothing else to do. The sun is peeking through the cotton white blanket.
sa ano? Dumog. Panusol ko.
Hi guys, ayun. Tapos na kami mag-design. Hindi pwede yung final kasi ay, thank you, kuya. Thank you so much. Oh my God, ang dami ko na. Thank you, kuya. Bigay ni kuya, guys. Ay, mamantilan pa. Oh, sinumpyo.
Ulit. Hello! Lula. Vlog. Vlog. Hi guys. We're here at room. And di pa tapos si Ate Kat mag-ayos. Hinihintay namin siya.
Ha?
Ang dami ng classmate niya nag-hintay sa kanya. Pero she's not ready. Kaya, wait lang. Guys, you can see, nagpapaganda rin si Lula. Wow! Para bang okay lang yan. Mag-happy birthday ka na. Si Colette. Pila yan siya. Yay! Ang ganda! Wow! Yay! Wow! Ang ganda.
When the moon is bright, the dreams are on your side. When the stars are lit, they try to catch your eye. Is it destiny or just beginner's luck that I found you? Now the moonlight dances gently over you. I never found the peace inside my mind. I got nothing here that keeps
Nakanta kita ya!
me alive.
Tara na, tara, tara, tara!
Our world, it's hard.
Tikat!
Yun, para sa ating event ngayong gabi,
Super pretty!
batiin natin ang maligayang arawan ng ating birthday girl, Kathy!
Oh my gosh!
Wow!
Hi guys! Hello.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy
Birthday to you. birthday girl, Kathleen.
Nagkatawa na.
Yung may pansinti po, di po namin kayo huhusgahan. Pwede nyo na pong tulungan na yun.
Parang may later ka, no?
Hindi,
pang ano talaga nila. Ang ano si Sir Okan yun. Baka talaga Kikibig-kibig
Kantaan po ulit natin si Katya kanyang happy birthday song. 1, 2, 3, sabay-sabay!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy na birthday.
Is bright, the dreams are on your side. When the stars are lit, they try to catch your eye. This destiny or just beginner's luck that I found you. Now the moonlight dances gently over you. I have never found the peace inside my mind.
Okay na mga love, kaon na ka.
Kaon na love. Mga kalingap daw. What's up mga kalingap?
Hindi mga kalinga. Tayo po.
Ito po, yung mga kaibigan po ni Mahandes. Hello. Kahit umpasan mo para makakain na sila.
Na-bless! Halika na kay Ron. Come.